Alright, what's up guys? So today I just made 1k trading NQ all before market open. Look at this. So it's 9:25. Here I'm gonna show you guys a clip. Let's go. It's fucking 9:10. We just made 700. I just passed the account. Log out trade ovate, log back in. Oh, give me a second guys. Quick. You see what I have to deal with here? We're fucking up. So, as you've seen, very easy. It was not even 9:10 yet, and I made my profit. Or 9:15, I should say. Anyway, so let's do a trade breakdown. And yeah, now, since I passed my account, I went into Top Step and just closed my profit early. I just want to go back to sleep. I'm so sick. So Top Step only made 300 and then take profit 700. Which I could hold for more 100% on Top Step. I just wanted to get done with it. So news, we have all day meetings. We have 9:45. We have unemployment claim. We have heavy news to be honest today, so we have to be careful. Now let's get into the recap. Bro, today was so easy, so simple. Really, if you guys see me trade this week. Monday, I did miss the trade, so I took an L. Tuesday, profit. Yesterday, profit. Today, profit. What do you want me to say? Alright. So on the 4 hour, we had this gap right there. Scale back to, go back on the 1 hour time frame. We have this right there, this right there. Just mark them up. And yeah, mark them up. This line is already confirmed, as we can see, bunch of rejection, and then this right there. So my trade, I didn't even need to use all those gaps. My trade was right there, as you guys seen in the clip. So 9, we fill in London low, then reject. From there, this line is already confirmed. Now it could have been risky because let's say price just wanted to go to Asia low, I'll get stopped out. So since we got this confirmation, by 9:05 I'm in, and yeah, so I was aiming for 700 to pass my combine, to pass my eval, which I got not even in the same candle. Then if I was just to hold for more, so you guys seen how I need to change to go on Top Step. So my entry was like that probably. So I was very close to take profit. If I just hold it more, I could have got it, but I just didn't care at this point. Like I said, I'm focusing on take profit, and Top Step is just on the side. So anyway, I got the price ended up coming back. I just closed it. That's it. So here we have 700. Sorry, 700. Come on. Account summary 305. So we're a little bit down on the combine, but no problem. So yeah, very easy trade. And if I was on my real account, I could have hold it. I'm not gonna hold now, but look, it's already at 1 to 4. That's crazy. But yeah, on my, since I just passed my take profit, once I go pro, which is by tomorrow, I'm just gonna aim 1 to 2, play it safe, 1 trade a day, and that's it. Just focus on getting daily payouts. But yeah, beautiful, beautiful day today. Look, it's even pushing more. Guys, we're already at easy 1 to 6. Easy. But yeah, I'm happy with my trade. I'm done. 9:30. People are still sleeping. I'm done. So yeah, guys, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.